All right, we've got those late summer melons coming in, and they can be kind of a task to prep for your potlucks and barbecues, but I'm gonna just show you a nice easy way if you're going for pieces versus slices to eat. So if you want to have nice pieces for like a fruit salad or for snacking on, you're gonna wanna go right around the outside. You want to take as much of the white as possible. A little bit's totally fine, and we can also go back and just shave a little bit. That way we lose a little bit less of the fruit as we go. And you can do the same exact method for a smaller seedless melon, for honeydew, cantaloupe, all that good stuff. My grandma actually used to cut her kiwi this way to have small slices. So anything that's kind of awkward like that, that can roll away from you, you want to give it that flat edge first. All right, now I can go around and just sort of trim off some little pieces. Make sure to clear off your board before making any other big cuts. That way you have lots of space. I recommend doing just one half at a time. And now, just depending on how you want your melon sliced, you go right on ahead. If you want to, you can go and be super meticulous about those little white edges. I like a little bit of it. It has a nice crunch. That's totally up to you. Ready to serve.